Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. Today I'm going to be going over an Invicta watch, and I do typically like Invicta watches, but this one has disappointed me. Um, but there are some good points about it, and then there's some things that I just can't live with. But I'll be getting into that review in just a minute here. But before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all my current subscribers. You guys are awesome. And like I always say, I couldn't be doing this channel without you. I do appreciate all the likes, all the subscribes, thumbs up, comments, questions, everything. It really does keep this channel going. And if you're new to the channel, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that concept, please make sure you do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, as it does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos like this, because I do them all the time. So, without further ado, let's get into this and open up this Invicta watch and let you know what I've got here. So this is the Invicta 19173. It's the Aviator watch. And this watch is a beautiful watch that I really wanted to love. And unfortunately, I can't love it. I do love the styling of this watch, and I love the way it looks, but I just can't wear it. And where this watch falls short, this is a beautiful watch, and this is really something that I would love to wear. But where it falls short is the sound. I wore this thing for about an hour and a half after I bought it, and I could not stand the sound. I mean, it was squeaking and rattling every time I moved my wrist. Like, I don't know what the problem is with this band. I don't know if it needs to, if it needs oil on it or what. I mean, I could probably try and spray some silicone on there or some sort of Teflon oil and see if it reduces the amount of squeaking and rattling, but this is not what I expected from Invicta. I mean, this is like an $82 watch, and it really does seem like it has the band of a $20 watch. I mean, that is a very noisy band, and that's really the only complaint I have about this watch, is that the way it just rattles and squeaks and rattles. So I don't know if this is just a defective watch, or like I said, I don't know if it just needs to be oiled or something, but I can't wear it. I can't wear this watch. So this is a total fail as far as I'm concerned. I mean, and it's such a shame because I absolutely love the way this watch looks. It is a really nice watch. I mean, it's got a Japanese quartz movement. It's got it's the Japanese quartz caliber VD57 is what's listed for this. And it does have the date format, and it has the 3 subdials, which is a 60-minute subdial, a 1/10 of a second subdial, and a 60-minute subdial. So it's really nice. All the subdials work great, and it's just a beautiful watch. It's such a shame, but honestly, I couldn't even wear it. I got dressed up. I went ready, got ready to go out, and I put this thing on, and I was wearing it for about 2 hours, and I was like, I just can't do it. I can't wear it. So, needless to say, I did not wear this watch. And I will not wear this watch just because of that. I mean, it just shouldn't rattle on your wrist like that. I mean, this is a watch that's I think I paid $15 for this one, and it's almost louder than the $15 watch. So you got an $82 watch and a $50 watch. or a $15 watch, and it makes just as much noise, if not more. And that, you know, to me, I just can't deal with that. But let's see here if I can compare it with something else. This is another watch that's roughly between $60 and $80, and you can tell this one's got a nice quiet band on it. The only rattling you're hearing is because the clasp is open, but so anyhow, big fail for Invicta on this one, and it's too bad because it is a beautiful looking watch. It's really nice, dive looking, nautical looking watch, very big. It's, you know, obviously it's for a bigger wrist, but it's still a wonderful watch. Even in its large size, it's still a sharp looking watch, and I guarantee you'll get some looks if you wear it. But honestly, it just rattles. I mean, if you can deal with that rattling, head on over and pick it up. I will post a link in the description below. Maybe you got another band you can put on this thing. Maybe it's just the band. But like I said, I mean, maybe it's just that it needs to be oiled or something. Maybe I could try and do something like that. Put some oil on it and see if it fixes it up. Make it sound a little bit better. But aside from that, I really can't wear it, and I can't recommend it. Even though it's a great watch, 100 meters of water resistant. Like I said, all the working subdials, everything's great on it. And it's got a Japanese quartz movement, so you know it's going to last a while. It's even got a screw down back. I mean, it's really, really nice other than that band. And you know what? Maybe I will get some Teflon here, and just for the video. Yeah, I'll grab some Teflon right now and see if I can quiet this thing down a little bit, because I mean, some of that squeaking is probably just because it needs to be lubricated. So we'll give it a shot and see. See if we can work it in there. Okay, let's try it all off and see what we got here. See if it quieted it down at least a little bit. To get the oil off of the main parts of it. Really, you just want to get the links exposed to some oil, but you don't need oil all over the face. So this is basically, I just used some Teflon silicone And and this is just an alcohol prep pad to get the oil off the face and everything. Because like I said, really the most important part is getting those joints lubricated. Oh, it did seem to quiet it down quite a bit. Actually, quite a bit, yeah. That seemed to do most of the trick. So maybe this one's not so bad after all. You just need to pick up a $5 bottle of DuPont Teflon silicone. I'm not sponsoring it. I'm not I'm not sponsored by it. That's what I used. Okay, so there, that seemed to really clear it up. So I used DuPont Teflon silicone. I'll post a link to this in the description below. Looks like I need to head on over and pick up another bottle of this myself. But I'll post a link to this in the description below so you can head on over and pick that up. It will be an affiliate link. I'll post a link to this watch also in the description below if you guys want to head on over and pick it up. But that's all I really needed to do to make sure it was a lot quieter. Was just make sure I used some oil on it. Now, I don't know if maybe this one was just a defective one. Maybe the one you get might be quiet right out of the box, but that makes me feel a lot better knowing that I can actually wear this watch now, because I was actually contemplating returning it, and now I think I'll keep it. So that was a quick fix on this watch. Like I said before, it's the INVICTA 19173. It's about $82 on Amazon right now. Beautiful watch. Aviator. It's got the Japanese quartz VD57 caliber. It's got the flame fusion crystal. 60-minute dial, 60-second dial, and 1/10 of a second dial, sub-dial. And it's 100 meters water resistant. It is a very beautiful looking watch, and I am so glad I was able to fix it here. So I'll post a link to this in the description below, and if you want to head on over and pick that up, it will be an affiliate link. If you do like this content, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches I review here on this channel and provide affiliate links so you can head on over and pick them up yourself. If you have any other questions about any of the other watches you see here, or this watch, or any watch, just leave those in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to answer those questions for you. So until next time, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that, thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next watch review video. Until then, you guys have a great day.